Hi, this is Claire from AHA. Today let's talk about product roadmaps. A product roadmap is a visual tool that communicates what you will deliver and when in order to achieve your product strategy, drawing from customer ideas, team input and backlogs of work. You can visualize your roadmap in a number of ways, but most roadmap views include the same core elements, like goals and initiatives, which represent your objectives and key areas of investment, releases to show when you plan to launch new customer experiences, and epics and features, which are the increments of work to be delivered. All of these elements are then displayed on a timeline to showcase the delivery plan. So how do you decide which details to show? In short, it depends on who your audience is and what you want them to know. Let's look at some examples of popular roadmap views. Each view is meant to display a different level of granularity and serves a different purpose. A strategy roadmap shows the high-level themes of work you are investing in, ideal for keeping leadership in the loop. Release roadmaps are great for coordinating cross-functional efforts, so design, dev and go-to-market teams can see overall timing and dependencies. A portfolio roadmap lets you see releases across multiple products and product teams at once. This is a good one for leadership and platform teams. Epics roadmaps are handy for visualizing groups of features that span many sprints and releases, so you can see how related functionality comes together. And with a features roadmap, you can zoom in on individual features, so UX, engineering and sales are clear on exactly what you'll build next. If you want to keep things simple without committing to firm dates or details, a Now Next Later roadmap could be right for you. It's a nice one to share with partners or even customers. Remember, a product roadmap is essential for driving communication and alignment. Let it be the impetus for conversations about the most meaningful work you're doing as a team and why. Ready to get started? Go and build the perfect product roadmap to showcase your plans for any audience. Happy road mapping!